So this one is a huge tree, very big tree that's been falling from the heavy wind, and so they have to cut it. So fill in there. That's the top, and this is the punuan. It's very big, huge tree, so big. So pity we are not in Philippines. Philippines, they already make this as a firewood.
Right.
Oh, so many. It will just go rotten in there. It will go back in the ground. So that's how big it is. And that's the roots there. We're going back na? So that's how big it is, guys. Trees that been ruined. We're going back now to the car park. And then I'll show you the snowdrops. It started to show. This tree is big also, no? I think this is the same size of that tree.
No, bigger, maybe.
The same size.
Yeah, but the same.
Grabe. There's the snowdrops. Looks like carpet. I don't know why they call it snowdrops.
Huh?
Why they call it snowdrops?
What are you going to call it?
Because it looks like a snow. A snow that's been dropping. That's why it's a snowdrops. So this Balburney Park is a huge park.